Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to quickly find your videos in Google Drive. If you've ever struggled to keep your files organized, this method will make video searching a lot easier. First, open your preferred browser and go to drive.google.com. Next, log in with your Google account. This ensures you're accessing your own stored files. Once inside Google Drive, look at the top of the page. You'll see the search bar. This is your main tool for finding videos. Type the word video into the search bar. Google Drive will scan file names, content, and metadata to bring up everything related to videos. Scroll through the results and click on the preview icon to make sure you found the right video. To narrow things down further, use the filter options. You can sort by file type, modification date, or even shared status. And that's it. With just a quick search and filters, you can easily find any video stored in Google Drive. If this guide helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple tech tips.